Hi, it's me, Sugar. I'm so happy to see you. Hey, are you ready for a fun story today? We're going to read a story about a gingerbread man who comes to life. It's called The Gingerbread Man. Have you ever eaten a gingerbread man before? They are delicious. If you've never had one, ask your adult. Maybe they'll go get you some, or maybe you can make some later. So in The Gingerbread Man, it's a story about a little cookie, gingerbread man cookie, who tries to run away from everybody who wants to eat him. And he gets into all kinds of mischief and has all kinds of adventures on the way. So let's read it.
Here is our supply list for today. You will need some Play-Doh, maybe a couple of different colors. You will need maybe some buttons, maybe some ribbon. I've got a couple different kinds of ribbon here. If you don't have any of that, maybe you want to use some candy. We are going to use some of these things to decorate our gingerbread man. And if you don't have any of these things, that's fine. You can do it all with the Play-Doh.
Okay, I'm ready to read, but I gotta find my glasses. Oh, I see Brooke and I see Caroline. Hi.
We will be reading The Gingerbread Man, illustrated by Gail Yarrow. Once upon a time, a little old man and a little old woman lived in a cottage near the river. One morning, the little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread man as a special treat. The little old woman mixed together all the ingredients to make the gingerbread dough. Then she rolled the dough out flat and used the cutter to make it into the shape of a little man. Have you ever made cookies before where you had to roll them out and use the cookie cutter? Finally, she made some icing for his eyes and mouth, and she gave him 3 currant buttons and a cherry for a nose. The gingerbread man was ready to be baked. Half an hour later, the gingerbread man was baked and the little old woman opened the oven. Suddenly, the gingerbread man jumped up and ran through the open kitchen door. "Stop!" cried the old woman, running after him. "I want to eat you!" But the gingerbread man wouldn't stop. He didn't want to be eaten. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he chanted. The gingerbread man ran past the little old man. "Stop!" cried the little old man. "I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man ran even faster. "I've run away from a little old woman, and I can run away from you," he said. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he chanted. The little old man and the little old woman chased the gingerbread man into the yard, but he was too fast. As he ran by, he passed a pig. "Stop!" snorted the pig. "I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man ran even faster. "I've run away from a little old woman and a little old man, and I can run away from you," he said. What did he say? You want to say it with me? "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he chanted. The pig chased the gingerbread man, and followed by the little old man and the little old woman. The gingerbread man ran past a cow by the barn. "Stop!" mooed the cow. "I want to eat you." "I've run away from a little old woman and a little old man and a pig, and I can run away from you," the gingerbread man cried. What do you think the gingerbread man said? "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he chanted. The cow, the pig, and the little old man and the little old woman all chased the gingerbread man. But the gingerbread man was what? What was he? He was too fast. The gingerbread man raced past a horse in the field. "Stop!" neighed the horse. "I want to eat you." "I've run away from a little old woman and a little old man, a pig and a cow, and I can run away from you," he said. What did he say? "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he chanted. The horse chased the gingerbread man, followed by the cow, the pig, the little old man, and the little old woman. But the gingerbread man was too fast. Then the gingerbread man reached a river and stopped. The sparkly water swirled in front of him. "Oh no! I can't swim," he cried. "How will I get across?" A sly and hungry fox saw the gingerbread man and licked his lips. "Jump onto my tail and I will take you across the river," he said. So the gingerbread man jumped onto the fox's tail. Uh-oh, do you think he's going to be able to get away from the fox? After swimming halfway, the fox said, "You're too heavy for my tail. Jump onto my back." So the gingerbread man ran along the fox's bushy tail and jumped onto his back. After a while, the fox cried, "You're too heavy for my back. Jump onto my nose." So the gingerbread man jumped onto the fox's nose. But as soon as they reached the riverbank, the fox flipped the gingerbread man up into the air, snapped his mouth shut, and gobbled him up. And that was the end of the gingerbread man. The end.
Now that we've read the story, let's make and decorate our own gingerbread man. And you can decorate yours however you want.
Okay, let's get started. So friends, Sugar did not have any brown Play-Doh. So what I did was I actually made some gingerbread cookie dough. Now, if your adult has time for that, or if your adult has time to pick up some gingerbread dough from the store, I think that maybe Pillsbury makes some ready-made, and maybe you can make some actual gingerbread cookies. So here's what we're gonna do. I have some dough that I am just warming up in my hands, and we are gonna start making a couple of balls out of this dough, okay? So you see I've got, let's say, that's a pretty good handful, right? So I'm gonna take off maybe about that much, and I'm gonna make that into a ball. Okay, there we go, we've got a ball. Now I'm going to take off maybe the same amount and make another ball. And then I'm going to take this part and I'm going to make arms and legs. So I actually need to make 4 balls out of this part. So I'm going to divide it into 2 and divide it in 2. And that way now I've got 4 pieces to make the arms and legs out of, okay? So I'm gonna make this ball, that one. And if you are moving a little bit slower and you need to stop Sugar's video, that is just fine. You can catch up to where I am and press play again. Okay, so now I've got all of the shapes that I need, and you can kind of see how this is going to turn into a body. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to smush them. So I've got a head, and now I've got a body, and now my gingerbread man has 2 legs. And let's give our gingerbread man 2 arms. I'm going to squeeze him just a little bit to make him a little bit thinner, but that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to just smooth it in the middle just a little bit to get rid of the lines. Okay, how does yours look? Does yours look like a gingerbread man? I bet it does. I bet it looks awesome. Okay, now that we've got our gingerbread man, it's time to decorate him. So, what did you have? If you had buttons or if you had some candy, maybe it's time to go ahead and put some eyes on our gingerbread man. Some eyes. Let's see. Some eyes. And maybe we want to do some buttons down his shirt. But now my hands are so slick. Here we go. Maybe we put some little buttons down his shirt. That looks cute. Now we also need to make a little nose. Let's give him a little, I'm gonna give him a little red nose. And I think my gingerbread man's gonna be a happy gingerbread man, so I'm gonna give him a little smile. There we go. He's looking cute. And maybe if your adult had some ribbon, maybe you can cut some of that ribbon and give him some armbands. That's cute. Decorate him maybe with a few other pieces of ribbon. And if you didn't have any of these things, you can absolutely make all of this with your Play-Doh. You can take your Play-Doh, if I can get it open, and decorate it with Play-Doh too. So I'll do that right now.
Okay, so you saw how I decorated my gingerbread man, but I want you to decorate your gingerbread man however you want. Maybe your gingerbread man needs a scarf or a hat or an outfit. Make him however he needs to be for his adventure that you're gonna send him on. So now that your gingerbread man is made, let's think of what kind of adventure your gingerbread man is gonna go on. Maybe you can tell your sibling where your gingerbread man is gonna go, your brother or your sister, or maybe you can tell your adult all the fun places that your gingerbread man's gonna go. If you have a chance at home, maybe you can bake your own gingerbread cookies with your adult. And if you do bake them, don't let them run away. Great job, everybody. I'm sure that your gingerbread men look amazing. It was so much fun to use our imaginations and be creative and come up with some fun gingerbread man. Thank you so much for coming today and spending time with me. Don't forget to like Sugar's video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.